So I don't know exactly what I have here, other than it's probably a late 1800s, early 1900s banjo, tenor banjo. And the only reason I think that is in part because of the tuners, which appear to be ivory. And there's one missing, unfortunately, which is a real bummer. But anyway, we'll see what we can do with that. It needs to be taken apart and cleaned. All of the hardware on it is rusty, and we just need to get it all off so that we can get it clean. But I really love the patina of this old banjo head on here. It's quite beautiful. So we'll try and keep that as much as we can. Probably cleaned up a bit though. It's got a little dirt and stuff on it. But other than that, it looks to be in reasonably good condition. A little bit of wear here in the bottom corner, but I think it will be okay. We'll see. Might be too torn. Anyway, thing that you probably noticed already that's missing is the fretboard is gone, and all the rest of the hardware is gone, the tailpiece, the bridge and everything, but we'll do our best. So, repainted the black on the back of the ring. And I'm just going to clean this up and treat it with True Oil. Put a new finish on it. Beautiful bird's eye maple. It's a nice finish, or nice wood. very damp. Or just damp, not wet. Put a bit of a coat of true oil on the ring. Looks really nice. Bird's eye maple really pops out now. So I tried cleaning up the old staves, sure, and they were so rusted that we're going to put new ones on. Who knew you could get these from Amazon overnight? So, out in the shop, I've cut down this fretboard to right width. I've kind of shaped it up a bit here, so it's pretty good. It's a nice fit width-wise. I had to take off two frets, and this is the two that I took off the end of it to make it fit to the right scale length here. So now I've put a couple of registry pins in the fretboard. Also out in the shop as well, sanded down the fretboard to, or the neck rather, to get it to a straighter size, a straighter line on it. It was had quite a bit of belly to it, so I've got most of that out. And although there's a little bit of black in here, it seems to be level. So with that in mind, now all I have to do is get this fretboard in the right place, make these pins fit. I've got a new nut built for this as well, so I'm just going to line everything up here and then just tap it into that those areas. And with those marks in place, I'm just going to drill out a hole, make it a little bit easier to get the pins in there. And I should be ready to glue this. See if that fits. Yeah. Okay. Ready to glue it. I think though, just to make things easier down the road, I think I'm going to stain this first. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do next. Well, got all these clamps off the neck, and I'm pretty happy with that. A little bit of trimming to do. Looks good. Nut, some frets, and some fret markers. Don't forget about those. So I've cut out some pearl, mother of pearl chunks that I had here, and we're going to lay them out, measure them out here. I'm going to lay them out in a diamond fashion, and it's going to be our inlays. I think it look good. Tell me if you think so. We'll see when we're done. Okay, we're putting some fret markers in here, and I've got 2 of them roughed in, and just working on this 3rd one. We put 4 or 5 of them in total. So just routed out, use my Dremel tool and kind of routed out the spot, and then just clean it up with a chisel. And okay, they're all in, and we've filled with some black CA glue around them. And then we'll have to sand that off and polish it out. I think it'll look pretty good. Done. Well, almost. Well, lots happened since we were looking at this last, including my finger going through a table saw. So I've put the frets into this, but I forgot to film that, and put some side markers in it. Got all this leveled out, and I did a fret level on it, and polishing. So pretty well done with that. Now I'm gonna just gonna enlarge these holes a little bit and get these tuners in. Well, the old banjo is getting ready for strings shortly. Just a few things to do. I've built a nut for it. Of course, there's no nut here. It was missing before. And I've got the string outer edges marked. And I'm going to have to figure out where the other 2 go. So I'm just going to take a reading. we'll widen those out and deepen them down a little bit. New tailpiece finally arrived. So, and we have a bridge for it, so probably have to tighten the top up a little bit more. And we've got to modify the tuners a little bit. The springs are a little too long, so I'll have to grind those down so they set up better, set in better rather. So the low string is a 30 thousandths, so we're going to go with a 32. Need to be a little bigger than the string, so I'm not sure. You'd have to raise that nut a little bit too. It's pretty tight.